Welcome back, guys. In the last episode, we got some new backsplash for the Winnebago. Cut and installed it. Turned out pretty good. If you guys want to see that, go back to our last episode, episode 2, season 2. Pretty easy to put up. Overall, happy with how it turned out. So far this summer, we've traveled, hiked, camped, worked our way across the province of Alberta to a bunch of beautiful places. Now it's time to do our harvest, get everything pickled before winter, finish up the shop, and carry on with our Winnebago.
So I don't think we've ever actually shown you guys underneath. There is a little bit of rusting, but it's actually not bad. We did look through everything when we first got it. Of course, we weren't too concerned considering we didn't really pay anything for the Winnebago. However, considering it sat in a field for 20 some years, get more into this. We'd like just gonna take some time and work on putting all of these back in for now, just to seal it up so we don't get any rain damage in. We've been really thinking about this, not sure what to do here. It is in relatively good shape. Still have to do our touch-ups around here from when we cut in, and then this as well was the only damaged other panel section, so we haven't decided what we're doing yet on the roof. I like the wood paneling look. We've talked about that before, so we're kind of looking at different price options for that and then carrying that into there. So I think the next part is painting this up, removing the light, and try and start cleaning this up and see where that gets us. Well, obviously get rid of this and get a replacement. Alright, now I got this on and the other one on. I just need to figure out where I put the little attachment clips there. Same thing with this one, I gotta find the little clip. This we are actually gonna be doing like a built-in cabinet, so that's why there's no door there. I gotta finish that up. Alright, so I'm gonna actually measure these up because we're gonna order some new foam for these. This is not the original fabric that was in the 1974 Winnebago. We'll put a picture of one in here. And so anyways, we are gonna get rid of it because as you can see, we changed it. It doesn't add up here. We need a piece that's gonna fold down, that's gonna come out and make the bed when the table goes down as well. And then we'll do a cushion on the back just because, but it won't be actually part of the bed. And then the top pieces up here I'm gonna measure up, and they are for that bed over there. I'm not sure if we're gonna measure out foam, but whatever we do here, we wanna match back there, or if we're just gonna do like some sort of futon mattress that folds down into the bed, we're not sure yet. When you need to find a screwdriver and you never have the right one. That guy right there, not the wrong one. That one? Yeah, sure, that'll work. I'm just farting around here on a Sunday. Figured out maybe we should start going through some of the heater and clean it out. It's never actually been cleaned out since we've had it. So let's see what we got. guy to put on a mask. Because, you know, it's COVID times and it's not like we don't have any masks, but too lazy. And the supervisor. That was a quick, easy job. All right, so went to Canadian Tire, picked this up. I thought I painted all the bends, but I guess not. So back to the paint phase.
Heater hose all hooked up. Looks good.
This will be nice, even though we do plan on putting it in a heated shop for winter. If for some reason we do have to pull it out, we can still kick in the heater and maybe do some work. Plus, it's nice to get this all finished up and everything underneath the bed done, so that way maybe our next task will be building in the bed. All right, so now I gotta bring it down and through here and connect over. We're also looking at Canadian Tire today at different carpet. I saw a guy on Facebook that he had redid it all with nice, the car interior carpet. And it was about $5 for 1 foot by 4 feet, so that's not too bad. They're coming on the tractor. Veronica's favorite things to do. All right, guys, Friday night. Waiting for the husband to get home, and we are cooking some burgers. Juicy. Got some barbecue sauce on them. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys our classic Weber. We definitely need to upgrade one day, but hey, it's been doing the trick for the last few years. Well, everybody, it's been a pretty nice weekend other than the wind. Got a little bit of stuff done on the Winnebago, which was nice. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe if you want to see some more Winnebago videos. Winter's coming and gonna need a project to work on, so a little bit of encouragement would be nice. Hit that thumbs up button and I don't know, leave a comment, maybe give us some advice. We've been a little bit stuck on it all summer, so we decided let's just take the summer and enjoy it, and maybe we'll get some new inspiration.